Okay, number 5 is your division problem. Again, we did this one today. You can do the long division. So 3x minus 1 into 21x squared minus 22x plus 5. So 3x goes into 21x squared 7 times, 7x. So you multiply. 7x times 3x is 21x squared. 7x times negative 1 is negative 7x. And then, just like a long division problem, you subtract. So you change the signs. So 21 minus 21 goes away. Negative 22 plus 7 is negative 15x. And then bring down the 5. 3x goes into negative 15x, negative 5 times. So negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. And then negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. And again, you are going to subtract, so you're going to change the signs. So negative, positive and negative, and we end up with 0. So because all our problems that we are doing this year do not have a remainder, the pattern is you take the first number, 21x squared, and divide by 3x. So 21x squared divided by 3x. Is that 8 or 7? Of course, 21 divided by 3 is 7. And then you take the last term, 5 and negative 1, and then divide. So 5 divided by negative 1 is negative 5. So your answer is, again, D. Because there is no remainder, you don't have to worry about the middle term. If there was a remainder, you would have to do the long division, or your future will be synthetic division. 6 and 7 is finding the greatest common factor. So 6, and notice all the numbers are the same for both 6 and 7. The difference is a D or no D are positive and negative. So for this to be negative, your 3 would have to be negative. And then to get D squared, you have to have D times D and D times no D to put D in the second term. So we're just distributing, which is multiplying. And again, you take your problem in Y1, your answer in Y2, changing everything to X, and you can check your answer. So our answer is J. Number 7. So if we have an X here, we get X squared, but X times 11 or negative 11 will give you 66 with an X. We don't have an X on 66. So let me zoom in just a tad. So A and B will not work. Okay. 18 is not negative, so you can't multiply times a negative 6. So your answer is D.